Hey everyone, it's Larry from WSTrades.com doing a technical analysis video on ticker symbol TRIP, which is TripAdvisor Inc. Got a pretty nice price level. This is the daily chart. You can see this red line. I have a price level drawn out here. I'm going to zoom into it so you can see they were pretty much in a downtrend since, what is this? March. Had a massive sell-off, kind of pump back up, but still just a downtrend overall. So, but since then, they hit this level of around, looks like around 30.50 or 31.50. Bounced off of that nicely, kind of chopped around, came down, almost hit it again, chopped around, hit it a few times, going into earnings, and then gapped up, and then going into earnings gapped up, and when they actually had earnings, gapped way down below that price level, started trying to break through it. Bulls couldn't take control, so we sold off again, and now we kind of hit a bottom of the low. 24.42 was the low here, so made a nice move up. This one might just be because the overall markets have been just absolutely tearing the past few days, so until this thing can break above this 21 EMA, then I don't know that they're going to come hit this price level again, this like 31.50 level. So if they can close above that, then we might see a nice rip up, and then that's going to be a key level to keep an eye on, see if it starts acting like resistance again, or if they can break through it and it'll start acting like support. But not too confident. Indicators are looking pretty good. You see the RSI levels at least trekking up, but until it actually breaks through, it's not really a buy signal with the RSIL. And with the fractal energy, which is this yellow line, once it breaks above this level, this dashed line, and which is the 6, it's kind of a sign that you don't really want to take a trade because it could go either way. So you're kind of just guessing if you're just playing off of this indicator anyways. Momentum is coming up, but as you can see last time, momentum on the TTM squeeze started to change from the downward direction, and it is still negative but upward direction. It was just kind of sideways chop, and nothing really happening. Then it sold off even harder. So yeah, I'm not touching this thing until I'm gonna set a price alert to let me know once it hits this level, this like 31.50 level, and then we'll see if it can break through, or if I'm gonna be selling calls and waiting for this thing to dump back down below it. So they did have a, pull up the news, they had a price target. Yeah, so you had UBS set a price target of $30, but just a neutral rating, so they're not saying buy it. Last month, this was Citigroup, put a buy rating, but they did adjust the price target from 48 to 48 from 62, so a big dump in the actual valuation of it. No other news that kind of warrants this rip besides the sell-off that they had with talks about the Omicron coronavirus. So seems like the market in general doesn't care about it, and kind of around the world kind of looks like people don't really care about it either. So everyone's stepping in, everyone's still going to continue to travel and stuff, but I don't know, I just don't trust that TripAdvisor can break above this level. But it's a key level, keep an eye on it. If you guys have any tickers you want me or James to take a look at, leave it in the description, and we'll be glad to try and take care of it for you.